Welcome to the channel, and in this video we will see how we can download and install Python in our Windows 11 computer or laptop. With the latest version of Windows 11, Microsoft wants you to install Python from their Microsoft Store, and that's why what they have done is they have added a link between operating system and Microsoft Store for Python. For example, if I click on the start button, search for CMD, that is for command prompt, and if I open it up, and if I type Python in here, and after that hit the enter button, now what happens is in this computer Python is not installed. That's why it should say Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. But instead of that, what the computer does is it opens up the Microsoft Store and it asks us to install Python from the Microsoft Store. You can install Python from the Microsoft Store, but I always prefer installing it from the official website. That's why I'm not going to install Python from the Microsoft Store. So here what we have to do is first we have to remove the link between operating system and the Microsoft Store for Python. And in order to do that, we will click on the start button. We will search for manage app execution aliases. We will get system settings, manage app execution aliases. Once we click on that, it will open up the settings window, and here we can see manage app execution aliases. And if we scroll down, then in the bottom we can see app installer python.exe, app installer python3.exe. Both of these are in the on stage. We will turn them off just like this, and then we can close the settings window. Now, if I go back and open up the command prompt, and if I type in Python and hit the enter button, now it says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command or a program. So now we have removed the link between the operating system and the Microsoft Store for Python. Now we can download Python from the official website and install it. The first thing that we have to do is we have to open up any browser that is installed in our computer. Microsoft Edge is available in all the computers. I'm going to open it up. And here in the URL bar, we will enter the website address as python.org. And after that, hit the enter button. It will open up the official website of Python. And here, if I take the cursor on this downloads option, then we can see download for Windows and the version of Python that is available to download. This version number will be different depending on when you're watching this video. If I click on this, then the Python will start downloading in our computer. This website auto detects the operating system and it displays the appropriate download option. So you can click on this link and the download will begin. Now here the download is complete. If I take the cursor on this file which is downloaded, then I can see a folder icon. If I click on that, it will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved, normally in the downloads folder. Now here you guys can see Python, and in order to install Python, we just have to double click on this file. It will open up the Python installer, Python setup window. And here one important thing that we have to do before installing is we need to check this checkbox which says add python.exe to path. This is really important. You have to do this. And after that, we can click on install now. And if it asks for permission to install, then click on yes. Now we just have to wait for the installation to finish. Okay, now the installation is complete. We can click on this close. Now we will make sure that we have installed Python successfully. To do that, we will click on the start button and we will search for Python. Now here we can see Python app and also the Python IDLE. If you click on the Python app, then it will open up the Python shell where you can start working. And also we will open up the command prompt, click on the start button, search for CMD, open it up. And here, if I type in Python space minus capital V, that is to check the version of Python installed in the computer. As you guys can see, we get the version of Python that is installed in this computer. So this is it guys. This is how we can download and install latest version of Python in Windows 11 laptop or computer. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, then hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.